Are you tired of your website playing hide and seek with search engines? It's time to unlock the secrets to skyrocketing your online visibility. Today, we're unraveling the mysteries of SEO. Get ready to transform your digital presence from invisible to irresistible by mastering on-page SEO, off-page SEO, and technical SEO. Stay tuned to discover how these strategies can make your website stand out in the crowded online world. Let's make your website the star of search engines. All right, let's dive straight into the world of SEO. We've got 3 pillars to conquer: on-page SEO, off-page SEO, and technical SEO. First up, on-page SEO. This is all about optimizing your website's content for search engines and users. Think keywords, meta tags, headings, and quality content. Remember, it's not just about stuffing keywords everywhere. It's about creating valuable, relevant content that resonates with your audience. Next, off-page SEO. This pillar focuses on building your website's authority and credibility through external factors like backlinks, social signals, and online mentions. Quality over quantity is key here. Earn those backlinks from reputable sites and watch your rankings soar. And finally, technical SEO. This is the backbone of your website's performance. We're talking site speed, mobile friendliness, structured data, and crawlability. Make sure your website is technically sound to ensure search engines can easily find and index your content. Now, let's talk optimization techniques. For on-page SEO, conduct keyword research, optimize meta tags, and create engaging content. When it comes to off-page SEO, focus on building high-quality backlinks and engaging with your audience on social media. And for technical SEO, ensure your website is fast, secure, and mobile responsive. Don't forget your checklists. Keep track of your keyword usage, backlink profile, and technical site audit. Regularly monitor and adjust your strategies to stay ahead of the game. And remember, consistency is key. SEO is a long-term game, so be patient and persistent in your efforts. Implement these best practices, stay updated with the latest trends, and watch your website visibility and ranking improve over time. So there you have it, a comprehensive guide to mastering on-page SEO, off-page SEO, and technical SEO. Start implementing these strategies today and watch your website climb the search engine rankings.